Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Leela Mani and I am a Salesforce developer. I am a Salesforce certified administrator and platform developer with knowledge and experience across Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Experience Cloud, Salesforce CPQ, Revenue Cloud, and Agentforce. I am also ServiceNow certified. I am excited to welcome you to our Revenue Cloud learning series. Throughout this series, we will explore Revenue Cloud concepts through clear explanations, real world business scenarios, and practical demonstrations. We will learn how Revenue Cloud supports the complete revenue lifecycle from product configuration, pricing, and quoting to order management, billing, and revenue recognition. My goal is to make this concept easy to understand and demonstrate how Revenue Cloud can help business simplify their processes, improve efficiency, and drive revenue growth. Whether you are new to Revenue Cloud or looking to expand your knowledge, I hope you find this series practical, informative, and valuable. Thank you for joining me. Now let's begin our Revenue Cloud journey together. Before we understand Revenue Cloud, let's first understand why Salesforce moved from CPQ to Revenue Cloud. Think about any manufacturing company. Their goal is simple. They want to sell products faster, provide a better customer experience, and collect revenue without delays. The challenge was that different teams were using different systems, and that created many problems. Let's see how Salesforce solved those problems. Let's start with the business problem. Earlier, companies used multiple disconnected systems. Sales teams worked in CRM, pricing was managed in Excel, communication happened through email, orders were processed in ERP systems, billing happened somewhere else. Because everything was disconnected, companies faced several challenges: manual code creation, pricing mistakes, slow approvals, delayed order processing, revenue leakage, poor customer experience. So needed one connected platform where everything could happen together. Imagine a customer wants to purchase a customized industrial motor. The sales representative first create the quote manually. The pricing is calculated in Excel. After that, the manager reviews it through emails. The customer requests one small change. Now the sales representative repeats the entire process again. Every small change meant rebuilding the code. This wasted time and increased the chance of human errors. To solve this problem, Salesforce introduced CPQ. CPQ stands for Configure Price Code. Instead of building codes manually, CPQ automates the process. It provides the features like guided selling, product bundles, automated pricing, discount approvals, professional code generation. Instead of taking this, sales representative could generate accurate codes within minutes. Let's compare the difference between before CPQ and after CPQ. Before CPQ, everything was manual. Excel pricing, wrong product selections, slow approvals, data stored in different systems. After CPQ, everything became automated. Guided selling help users choose the correct products. Pricing becomes automatic. Approvals become faster. Everything stays inside Salesforce. This significantly improved productivity. Although the CPQ solved quoting, there was still one major problem. CPQ stopped after the quote. Once the customer accepted the quote, companies still had to manage the contracts, order, billing, subscription, renewals, and revenue in different systems. So Salesforce realized another solution was needed. This is where Revenue Cloud comes in. Revenue Cloud doesn't stop at quoting. It manages the complete revenue lifecycle. Everything from the lead, opportunity, configure, price, quote, contract, order, billing, revenue happens inside Salesforce. This gives business one connected platform. This slide shows the complete customer journey. It starts with generating a lead. The lead becomes an opportunity. The sales representative configure the right products, like pricing is calculated, a quote is generated, approvals are completed, a contract is created, orders are processed, invoices generated, payments are collected. Finally, the company recognizes the revenue. Everything happens in one continuous process. So, what's exactly is Revenue Cloud? Revenue Cloud is a Salesforce complete platform for managing the entire revenue lifecycle. Instead of using five different applications like sales, finance, operations, customer service management, all work on one connected Salesforce platform. This gives better visibility, faster execution, and fewer errors. Revenue Cloud consists of several powerful components like product catalog store the products. CPQ creates accurate codes. Advanced pricing manages the complex pricing. Contract lifecycle handles the agreements. Order management process customer orders. Billing generates invoices. Asset management tracks purchased products. Renewals and amendments manage the subscription changes. Together, these components automate the complete business process. Here, the diagram shows how Revenue Cloud connects with the different business system. At the center is Revenue Cloud. It connects with the Sales Cloud, ERP system, finance, customer portals, partner portals. Instead of data moving manually between systems, Revenue Cloud acts as a central platform where everything stays connected. And coming to the next slide, CPQ focus on the generating the right code quickly. Revenue Cloud focus on everything that happens after the customer says yes, from contracts to billing to payments, and finally revenue recognition. This is why Salesforce evolved from CPQ to Revenue Cloud. Revenue Cloud is not replacing CPQ. It is expanding CPQ into complete lead to revenue solution. To summarize today's presentation, we learn why business struggled with disconnected systems, how Salesforce CPQ simplified code generation, why CPQ alone was not enough, how Revenue Cloud managed the complete lead to revenue life cycle, and how Revenue Cloud helps the organizations improve efficiency, reduce manual work, and accelerate revenue growth. Thank you for your time. I do happy to answer any questions.